Hi, welcome to Baby Adventure. In this video, we will look into a digital thermometer which has an LCD display, operates on 1.5 volt button cell. AG13 is the name, or LR44 can also be used. These two button cells comes with the package. We need not buy it. This is the battery slot, and we have to submerge the tip of the wire to measure the temperature. The length of the wire is almost 2 meters, little bit less than it, and the thermometer, it isn't waterproof. It has open vents for heat dissipation, but when we use in the outdoors, we should be careful that moisture don't enter the thermometer. This is how you place the button cells in the thermometer and measure the temperature. It is a multi-purpose digital thermometer, can be used in kitchen and used to measure the temperature of the liquids too. As a biker, I would like to see the temperature at the engine and at the exhaust too. So this is how you place the batteries and check the temperature. As the ambient temperature is less than the preset 33 degrees centigrade, it is going down. As a biker, as I said earlier, I would like to know the temperature at the exhaust. So I routed the wire into the frames of the bike and placed the thermometer display beneath the dashboard. I will put a video about the possible interpretations with the bike conditions and temperature. If you find the video useful, please like, share and subscribe for other more informative videos about Yezdi Adventure and this thermometer. Thank you.